Yeah, boy, Hilun J. Yeah.
Epilepsy.
When it just dropped a little bit of money, just falling on the floor, just picking up, down, getting low, just getting on my own, just trying to get me phone. Just get it like you never showed off one, just away, get the money back. Just get it back like you should've never touched a bag. Huh? Just get it, you know I miss it already when the money drip on me. Just fading on, just getting going on. Getting going on with the Gucci shoes on my feet. On my feet and Gucci watches on my wrist. I got so many weed threes in my backyard, just smoke them, you wanna feed it. Like you shouldn't smoke, but you lead it. Just get it, you know you need it. Yeah, just need it, yeah. Just jump a little train, cash money, just slip on the floor. Just pick it up like you buy a house or not.
Epilepsy.
You buy a house, buy a mansion, buy a lamb, or buy anything you need. Just let the bag money cash just drip on your feet. Then you know you'll never run out of cash. Yeah. Buy weed if you need it, getting high if you stream it. Don't get into touch, you gotta feed it to drum like you need it. Never wanna smoke herb, you clean it. You call for the reason, I never wanna stop the breeze. And I get it on top, I feel the bridge. And just get on my head, get out of my demons. They undefeated, they undefeated with the mind. Going for the drugs, they're too tight. Just put it all like you shouldn't go. Like you made it, you never going home. Getting high, just struggle on my feet, just struggle to getting home. Yeah. Just smoke a little bit of weed, just get the demons on your mind. Just let them focus on your thoughts, not your feelings. Sometimes getting high, they on the feeling. Focus on your demons, cause they need them. Yeah. Demons are everywhere. Just look at them.